Welcome to this first Building a Strong Foundation lecture in this course, Practicing Homeopath Certificate course. The purpose of the section is to help you learn about how to build a strong foundation to become a successful practicing homeopath. At the end of this lecture, you will learn about studying homeopathy deeply to build that strong foundation. Let us start by talking about studying homeopathy deeply to build a strong foundation. To study homeopathy deeply and build a strong foundation, you need both systematic study and practical immersion. Here's a structured approach. First of all, you need to master the core texts of homeopathy. To do that, you need to master three things. First is Organon of Medicine by Hahnemann, where you need to study aphorisms slowly, reflect on principles like vital force, similia, potentization. Second is Materia Medica by Hahnemann, Borick, Kent, Allen, Clark, etc., where you learn remedies as personalities rather than just lists of symptoms. Third is Repertory by Kent, Synthesis, Murphy, etc., where you practice finding rubrics and cross-referencing remedies. Remember to don't just read, make comparative notes, for example, difference between Nux vomica and pulsatilla. Then you need to practice provings and self-observation. What you need to do here is to read about remedy provings and even safely self-observe remedies under guidance. This helps you understand remedies from experience, not only from books. Next, you need to have structured study routine. Dedicate daily time blocks. 30 minutes Organon, 4 principles. 1 hour Materia Medica, 4 remedy study. 30-minute repertory practice, 4 case analysis. Use flashcards, mind maps, and charts to retain key symptoms. In addition to that, you need to learn clinical correlation. 3 things you will need to do there: study pathology and diagnosis alongside remedies. Connect remedies to real-world diseases, for example, belladonna to acute fevers, lycopodium to digestive or liver complaints. Review case studies from masters like Kent, Heering, and Boger. The key things as you move along is to have group discussions and peer learning. That can be done by joining study circles, online forums, or local groups and discussing cases and remedies with peers there. It sharpens memory and reasoning. Seek guidance from mentors while doing all of the above, and there you can learn from experienced practitioners through apprenticeships, clinics, or online mentorship and observe their case-taking, remedy selection, and follow-ups. Remember continuous deepening while you are studying homeopathy deeply, which can be achieved by revisiting remedies repeatedly. The understanding grows with time. Keeping a Materia Medica journal, write down remedies in your own words, and staying updated with modern research and clinical updates in homeopathy. So, in short, to study homeopathy deeply, absorb the principles, live with the remedies, practice with cases, learn from mentors, and revise constantly. So, what do we do in the next lecture? We will take a look at how to master the Organon of Medicine, Materia Medica, and Repertory. Thank you so much for watching this lecture. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture and are learning new things. Please do download the PDF file to look at the lecture as needed and let me know of any help needed.